Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by installing Visual Studio Code and enabling the code command so you can open projects fast. Once done, add essential extensions, language support, debugger, and Git integration. These let you edit, run, and track changes. Make sure to set workspace settings like format on save and tab size so every language behaves predictably. Also configure the integrated terminal and file excludes. This reduces clutter. These first steps get you into a consistent, repeatable environment for any language. Next, focus on language-specific setup. Install the extension and the language server protocol to get IntelliSense, linting, and error reporting. Then create tasks. JSON and launch. JSON so you can build, test, and debug with one keystroke. This standardizes workflows across Python, JavaScript, Go, Rust, and more. Once configured, add snippets and custom key bindings to speed up repetitive code. Use multi-root workspaces to manage related projects simultaneously. This keeps context without switching windows, making you more efficient. Finally, integrate your editor with source control and automation. Enable Git, add CI hooks, and install marketplace tools for code quality. Automate formatting and linting via formatters and pre-commit hooks so code stays consistent. Use LiveShare for pair programming and the integrated terminal for CI commands. If you run into problems, isolate the cause. Check the output and developer tools logs, disable recently added extensions, and reset workspace or user settings. If needed, reinstall. This resolves most corruption or configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.